I wanted to be an astronaut. Was decent with physics, extremely bad with math. Realized it, got self-aware. Then went into music. I was working in a record label. I was doing mixing mastering, which is called sound engineering. So I joined Pocket Aces, which used to be owning Filter Copy, Dice Media, Gobble. These were very huge, not just YouTube channels. They were having YouTube, Snapchat, Moj, Instagram, bots. It was the largest. So I was heading their growth team. Then I moved to Bangalore, was heading a dating app called Better Half. I was a growth advisor to Sharon and Raj Shamani. तो creators के साथ भी किया काम किया है large. Because people know कि okay ठीक है ये filter copy ultra large business बनाया है तो ये इसका कुछ हो सकता है.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Chill Chai where we turn lemons into lemon tea because I personally love chai. This episode is going to be a marketing masterclass for all of the young people out there who want to get into marketing, and we are with Sindhu, who I found on the internet, who happens to be an amazing growth marketer and who's worked in this field for so many years, who's worked at Filter Copy, Dice Media. He started up on his own. I think this is the second time you're starting.
Yeah, this is my second time.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Pele, like your introduction, how you would define yourself.
I would not define myself. That's why I have been changing. I'm a shapeshifter. Is a simple word that I would like to define myself. But yeah, from a journey perspective, for people who want to just try to put people into boxes and understand simple life, is I wanted to be an astronaut. Was decent with physics, extremely bad with math. Realized it, got self-aware. Then went into music. I was working in a record label. I was doing mixing mastering, which is called sound engineering. तो फिर उसके बाद मैंने MBA किया. Doesn't matter a lot that MBA, but MBA did overall made me better because I am from Orissa. So मैंने हिंदी और इंग्लिश बोलना भी उस टाइम पे ही सीखा. So did that, met a friend, was building a startup, then started building that. Great and worst decision together. So वो startup नहीं चलने में मेरा भी काफ़ी बड़ा हाथ है. Got into self-loathing, depression kind of a state. And then I was like, okay, let me remove my ego and go back to a job. फिर मैंने Paytm Insider, which was called Inside.in, now called District by Zomato, उसमें मैंने performance marketing चालू किया. So I started doing performance marketing in 2018, very early. This is before COVID era, where performance marketing, digital marketing was there, but salaries उतने high नहीं थे. So not every Tom, Dick and Harry was like, okay, मैं digital marketing करूँगी. So started doing that. That was my training ground. Then joined Filter Copy, Dice Media because I wanted to change my identity. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, because everyone who is wanting to get a job should know and will know at some point of time. Moving from social media to performance is very rare, hard. Moving from performance / digital marketing role to a social media is equally hard. So लोग इनको typecast करते हैं कि okay, this is a numbers person, data person. This person will not be able to do organic creative stuff. I just got lucky actually because whatever I'm just telling you ना, ये सारे सामने से offers आए हैं.
Okay.
Places where I wanted to work नहीं offer मिला है मुझे वहाँ पे. Like Spotify, Deloitte, McKinsey, नहीं offer मिला है. Interestingly, people like my journey right now. At some point of time, I was thinking नहीं McKinsey के consultants होते हैं. So I joined Pocket Aces, which used to be owning Filter Copy, Dice Media, Gobble. These were very huge, not just YouTube channels. They were having YouTube, Snapchat, Moj, Instagram, bots. It was the largest. Right now it's owned by Saregama. So I was heading their growth team. Then I moved to Bangalore, was heading a dating app called Better Half. Then I was with Jupiter, which is a fintech app. Then yeah, it's been a long journey. I was a growth advisor to Sharon and Raj Shamani. तो creators के साथ भी काम किया है large. Because people know कि okay ठीक है ये Filter Copy ultra large business बनाया है तो ये इसका कुछ हो सकता है. Yeah, right now I'm building a company it's called BuzzLab. It works with India's top brands like Acco, Wakefit, Razorpay, Practo, and I'm like building the McKinsey for content and advertising. And parallelly I also create content on whatever मेरे दिमाग में आता है. कुछ मैं planning plotting नहीं करता, scripts कुछ नहीं लिखता. I also teach at Masters Union, some classes in XLRI, some classes in different places, and yeah, that's my life holistic.
So what got you to shift from working in marketing to wanting to start up? Because I was recently, I was sitting in our library at college and I came across Mr. Piyush Pandey's book. So he was talking about how he he was working at Ogilvy, but he would never want to make an agency of his own. So what thought process did you have?
Nothing, just chill और कुछ नहीं कि okay देखते हैं how this life looks like. That's it. For the longest time, I was like, so I have always been a good kingsmaker. I'm very self-aware. I'm a great kingsmaker, and kings being the gender neutral word, where if you are a creator, I can make you big. If you are a big creator, I know how to make you even bigger. If you are the biggest creator, I know how to build a business. If you're a business, I know how to scale. But मैं forefront में लेके नहीं operate करने वाला इंसान था.
Why?
Not all CMOs are good CEOs. CEO is very different than a CMO.
Okay.
CMO is very different than social media head. Not all good content creators can become a good CMO. Not all good CMOs can become good CBOs, Chief Business Officer. तीनों अलग अलग skill set हैं. So I'm self-aware कि okay मैं उतना अच्छा CEO नहीं हो सकता था, and then I was like, so I actually we were not wanting to start this. So I met my co-founder via mutual connection, and he wanted क्योंकि साथ में करते हैं. So I was like that toxic girlfriend who was like नहीं देखते हैं, situationship में रहते हैं जितना रह सकते हैं. So I was in a situationship for 6 months, 7 months, and then a brand reached out and said कि okay we want to work with you, and we said okay as independent consultants we will work. In my legal sign-up stage, they said that okay we only work with private limited, and that is the
Then you had to become a private limited.
yeah, that is the night we said okay this is our calling, let's see what happens. It's not going to cost a lot of money into becoming a private limited, and that's how we started. That's it. कोई rocket science नहीं है, चुल के बारे में चालू हुई है. It's been 1.5 years. Universe has been kind. I think we are doing some good work because सारे inbound है. All clients are. We are not gotten to the market and started asking कि okay ठीक है हम काम करना चाहते हैं. Everything is word of mouth. सारे जितने भी top client है हमारे. I think I'm an okay CEO right now. I want to be better. I'm very self-aware. I'm very solid as a chief strategy officer, as a CMO. Not trying to boast, but I'm very very self-aware कि वो मेरा domain solid है. As a CEO, I'm also evolving, learning.
And what services do you guys offer? Like, what is the whole
So
spectrum of it?
again, agency is just one vertical. So the way I'm building this business is I am calling it a content-led growth company, where education is going to be the second business that we are building right now.
Okay.
Which is working with colleges, universities to train people on new marketing. Influencer marketing is not taught in colleges, and I'm not talking about influencer marketing as just ऊपर का proper Excel sheet में कैसे करना होता है, reach outs कैसे होते हैं, how do you calculate, brand attribution कैसा होता है, YouTube कैसे करना चाहिए, Spotify कैसे करना चाहिए, all the new stuff. Colleges and everyone teaches you all the ATL, BTL, थोड़ा digital. My effort is how do I build more integrated in depth. So which I call, let's say, growth marketing. So growth marketing is about how do you run push notifications, how do you do product marketing, how do you do referral marketing. This is completely new world which people are not much aware unless and until you take a course from someone. So that is the education agenda of mine. We are working on it. Then there is the agency business, which is easy to understand business. It's not rocket science. There what we do is I call it extended growth marketing team as a service, which is I am not putting services into buckets. I'm not a big believer of that. So for an example, let's say if you tell me that hey I'm starting a company called, let's say, Avishi. It's a beautiful brand name as well, and I will do LinkedIn content writing as a service, let's say. And if I say the same thing, then technically we are selling input means writing के लिए पैसा दो. इंसान writing का पैसा नहीं देता, इंसान output का पैसा देता है, या इंसान ऑरा का पैसा देता है, या इंसान ब्रांड का पैसा देता है. क्योंकि अगर if I'm building something on input, then anyone can beat me. There is no difference between you and me except my years of experience and your years of experience, or your LinkedIn leverage of followership and my LinkedIn leverage of followership. और कोई difference नहीं है. And then we'll compete over price. There is no end to the game. So I'm not doing that. So my business is extended growth marketing as a service, or extended content marketing as a service, where I go to the brands and I say that, okay, tell me all the challenge statements that you are having. My team will audit and we will decode. We will create a service for you, custom, and we will deploy. So for every brand, we are doing different. But if I have to even further simplify, it is we work with Acco for building their YouTube channel. We are working with Wakefit to handle their performance, influencer, and content strat combination. We were working with Super Money by Flipkart for, again, the same thing. All three things as a growth marketing channel. So ये change होता रहता है सबके साथ.
Okay. So basically you're doing an end-to-end service.
We are doing an end-to-end service.
And I feel like a lot of people these days, a lot of young people also are trying to start agencies of their own because it's such a popular thing, especially the LinkedIn writing thing you mentioned. So where do you think you're falling short? Because clearly they're falling short somewhere, and also they're a little bit short-sighted too. They're maybe only looking at this much expansion that is possible, but because you're looking at something that is end-to-end, so the scope is much larger. So what would be your advice to them?
Let's try to break it down, and let's break it down with what together only. Are you planning to start any agency of your own at some point of time?
Yeah, possibly.
So after college pass out, or right inside college, or after getting some experience?
In college, probably.
In college, let's say. How much time did it take you to decide this? 1 month, 2 months, 1 day, 2 day, 1 hour, 1 second?
Not that much time.
Not that much.
Yeah.
Which is easily, can we say 5 minutes? Correct. Business का एक fundamental rule है, you might have learned in the college as well. If you can think in 5 minutes, 10,000 people can think in 5 minutes. So essentially that's not a business, because business means defensibility, moat क्या है, how do I stop people to enter into my market. So which means by core concept what you are building is not defensible. And if you are self-aware, then either you accept it or you don't accept it. What I feel is, if you accept it, you are a good freelancer. There is nothing wrong in between being a freelancer. Being a freelancer is different than being an independent consultant. That is different than running a business.
What is the difference?
Freelancing mein, you are the moat. Your past testimonials, your social aura, your personal brand presence is equal to your money. जितना effort मारोगे उतना पैसा निकलेगा. As simple as that. Yes, you can say that, hey, I will have my own team. Running a 2-people team is still a freelancing business where it is just under your shadow. Independent consulting is primarily people who are seniors who do it, because it is consulting. It is not service provide. So consulting is primarily strategy. क्योंकि ठीक है आपको ऐसा 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 करना चाहिए, because and generally consulting happens when you have a certain pedigree. So for an example, if someone has been working in Coca-Cola for a long time, वो बोलेगा मैं supply chain consultant हूँ, वो अलग है, वो कर सकता है क्योंकि वो उसी चीज़ में एक्सपर्ट है. मैं बोलूँगा मैं YouTube का कंसल्टेंट हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इतना लंबा टाइम किया है. मैं LinkedIn का कंसल्टेंट बेस्ट नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज मैं अपना बनाया हूँ, दूसरों का उतना नहीं बनाया हूँ, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल. सो दैट इज सेकेंड. थर्ड इज बिजनेस. बिजनेस का मतलब है यू एग्जिस्ट और डोंट एग्जिस्ट, business can operate. इन तीनों में ये मेन फंडामेंटल है. The first two will operate if you will not operate if you don't exist. If you had a breakup and you are not feeling well, वो 6 महीना दिखेगा एफर्ट में एंड आउटपुट में, सब दिखेगा. इट इज़ वेरी डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट. Business is not. Business should become sustainable. Business has SOPs. Business has set structures. Business is known by the brand name at some point of time. In the initial years, it is known by the founders and the founding team. धीरे धीरे it is known by the brand name. Like Ogilvy, yes, it was started by David Ogilvy, but after David Ogilvy is gone, it is known by Ogilvy. Yeah. So it is not कि okay, David Ogilvy नहीं आएगा तो मैं काम नहीं करूँगा. So that is the core primary 3 difference. But इन तीनों को करने का तरीका अलग है. So my belief is you should not do the second and third.
Okay.
If you don't have an experience, if you aspire or want to become that, like if you imagine that, okay, I want to be the boss lady where there are 100 people in my team, then probably starting agency is not the best idea.
Do you think that freelancing is the route to get experience?
Not
to
at
do
all.
The other
Not
things,
at all.
no?
Not at all. That is where the main confusion lies. Simple enough. So if I have to understand about climate change, the best place to learn about that is not YouTube. It is to work in a climate change company for 6 months at least. Shift to or 3 areas. You understand market कैसे काम करता है and then work for it.
So being associated with an existing brand name.
Exactly. And then you can be even smart enough to work with 2 different territories. Like if I was doing that, I would have worked in an extremely large MNC style agency, like a Group M or anything, and then an extremely small one, like 20-member company, for me to understand दोनों के learnings क्या हैं, then start off something of my own. Before I started something of my own, again the part I was telling you that मैं 1 साल तक मना क्या नहीं करूँगा, because ये awareness थी that okay, I need to understand market कैसे काम करता है, because मैं अगर उतरा market में and if I commit to it, I'm not going to back off. In 1.5 years, if I have attracted all the top clientele of India, it cannot happen via cold DMs. Right? If I would have to go back in time and if I was in college and doing that, मैं cold DM कर रहा होता, और उसमें छोटे छोटे close होते हैं. Like you will start with a 50,000 retainer or a 20,000 retainer, smaller. Like LinkedIn is 50 to 20,000 average retainer, and then someone is charging 50,000, someone is charging 1 lakh, but it takes time to pay. So my recommendation will be that be very clear. If you want to make money, if you want to have freedom, freelancing is the best. Like you want to travel the world, बाली में रह के काम करना है एंड ऑल, या क्रिएटर प्लस है फ्रीलांसर बनना है, दी बेस्ट. ज़बरदस्ती का कंपनी चालू करने का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज यू विल फील डिसएसोसिएटेड आफ्टर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. इफ यू वांट टू compete with an Ogilvy, Group M, large, then उतरो गेम में with some ammunitions, some market intel. You need a co-founder anyhow. You need an advisory board. There are a lot of people who reach out to me for कि okay, हम आपको कुछ equity दे देंगे, साल का या क्वार्टरली हम आपको कुछ मेरे प्रॉफिट पूल दे देंगे, आई वॉन्ट यू ऑन माई एडवाइजरी बोर्ड बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेल मी माई सिस्टम्स प्रोसेस कितना चार्ज करना चाहिए, आई वॉन्ट टू यूज़ योर नेम इन माई डेक एंड ऑल. सो ये अलग है. यू विल नॉट डू दिस वाइल यू आर डूइंग फ्रीलांसिंग. फ्रीलांसिंग इज जस्ट मी, माई वर्ल्ड, माई social presence and my clients. That is the defined world.
And even with content creation, which bucket do you think it'll fall into? And is it like it can fall into either of the buckets?
As in, I didn't get this.
Like the 3 buckets that we discussed: freelancing, consulting, and a business. So content creation can be defined as either of the 3.
नहीं, I think content creation को मैं define करता हूँ by either of 2. Either you are a content creator or you are a content company or a media company. दोनों में difference है. Same principle. Creators have freedom. आज मैं घूम रहा हूँ, मैंने कंटेंट नहीं डाला है, बट इफ आई वाज रनिंग अ मीडिया कंपनी और अ कंटेंट कंपनी, आई विल हैव अ टीम जो मेरे बिहाफ में पोस्ट करेगी. आई विल हैव एंड इट इज़ नॉट एसोसिएटेड विथ माई नेम. आई विल बी रनिंग 5 channels, 6 channels, starting with 2 channels. Some might be on my face, some might be not on my face. I might have some good-looking female running one channel, some good-looking guy running another channel, some 50-year-old guy running another channel as a face. So that is a content company model. उसको पैसे बनाने का तरीका अलग है. Creator का पैसा is again, you will charge a separate money, I will charge a separate money. Someone else will charge a different kind of money. Your style will be different, your color palettes will be different, mine will be different. Your color palettes are with you. It is your representation of your personality. Mine is mine. Company is different. Company is brand palette. वो brand तुम रहो ना रहो वो रहेगा हमेशा. So that is the core difference. और कुछ नहीं है.
So experience के लिए we're talking about working in companies, existing companies that are already doing big things. So if somebody wants to get a job or an internship at a place like Filter Copy, Dice Media, what skills do you think they're looking for, and what is like the entry level? Do you think college में they can get internships? No?
So for not just Filter Copy, Dice Media, for any influencer marketing agency, media network, Filter Copy, TVF, places where people बाहर से चमकता हुआ दिखता है, they will check are you a creator or not. Preference is given if you're a creator. If you are a bigger creator who has been able to scale certain channels, you will get the first preference. It doesn't matter you are from IIM, उनको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. In fact, these designations don't go well if you are getting into any creative. So marketing में भी ना, so college में एक misconception है. So college, so there are 3 different terms. There is sales, there is marketing, there is advertising. मेरा हमेशा से problem ये रहा हुआ है, colleges को ये समझा देना चाहिए first year में. You sell someone a course of general management and then you say sales and marketing in the second year. My problem is it should not be sales and marketing, because marketing अपने में बहुत बड़ा field है, sales अपने में बहुत बड़ा field है. You are making मतलब jack of all trades, master of none. If let's say someone is doing only marketing also, marketing में भी advertising is separate. Advertising is a more creative field. उसके terminologies अलग हैं, उसको पढ़ाने का तरीका अलग है और उसके faculties भी अलग होते हैं. So since this pipeline is the issue, these companies know it very well कि यहाँ से जो पढ़ के आ रहा है उसने तो कुछ पढ़ा नहीं होगा. So the only way I can judge the person is if the person has done something, some proof of work. Hence your proof of work is social media.
Okay.
Or your proof of work is some other internship. So I'll get a lot of resumes where they have done 7 internships, 8 internships. I'll always give them the first.
Any internship or in marketing?
No, in marketing. In marketing. Okay. So some might have done what? Influencer marketing company में internships. किसी ने किया होगा कोई creator के साथ. Creator का assistant था. There are a lot of people, a lot. कोई बहुत बड़े founder का page बना रहा था. Someone was doing freelancing, and these are solid proof of works. ये सारा priority में आता है.
So
बहुत priority
you
में आता है.
also hire interns?
Yeah. We hire interns. We are very notorious and choosy on that front because unfortunately my clientels are so high stakes कि मैं अगर कोई intern को अगर मौका दूं जो bold नहीं है, वो रो के निकल जाएगा 7 दिन में. So we are extremely choosy in doing a lot of analysis, culture fit, उसका aura कैसा है, is he or she supremely optimistic or supremely pessimistic, कहाँ पे बीच में stand करता है, कितना काम आता है, कितना सीखा हुआ है. I don't care a lot about you knowing something. I care a lot about you having the awareness of learning more. और आप कितना fast सीखते हो. So I call it कितना ज़्यादा context switch कर सकते हो per day. Because in advertising line of business, the boon and the bane is that you need to context switch from doing YouTube to ads to analytics, in a pharmaceutical company to this to that. So your brain will be fried. And it is not meant for people who want to have a serene, well-balanced life at all. Advertising is not the place.
Right.
You should join a brand. Brand थोड़ा simple है. एक चीज पे काम करो, एक ही काम करो, लंबा काम करो. So it's a personality type actually. So these are a lot personality. You will see advertising people having grey hair, purple hair, pink hair, लंबे बाल, baggy shirts and all. And you will see marketing brand managers in a different avatar for certain reason. Yeah, you will see all crackheads in advertising. All crackheads.
So this is good, I think. So people can decide which
Obviously,
path that they want
it's a
to
lot
take.
personal. It's a lot personality type. If you are feeling left out because you are a good poet, probably you should join advertising agency. Yeah, 100%. Do not start a LinkedIn marketing, script writing because you are a poet and किसी ने बोल दिया, ओ तू लिखता बढ़िया है हिंदी में शायर तो LinkedIn में भी लिख लेगा. It's the worst someone can do to someone's life.
And what do you think the growth trajectory is like? What can people expect? Ki, acha, these are the inputs that I'll put in, these are the skills I'll develop, this is what I'll try to get better at, and then I'll get the requisite results that I want.
Unfortunately, it was easier for me to say. So I have at least, so I run something on TopMate. A lot of students and professionals book my sessions. I might have crossed 5,000 coaching sessions in the last 4 years. मैंने हर साल pattern change देखा है in terms of question and in terms of my answers as well.
Okay.
Right now it is super random. You have to learn basic stuff where you start your career by basically understanding copywriting, having a certain sense of how social media works, just certain sense, not enough sense is fine as well, and in holistic capacity, not just Insta. See, Insta में क्या हो रहा है ना, Insta is still the easiest task right now. Reels algorithm is just mad. So people just put out a content, people put out thirst traps, people put out anything, nothing wrong in that. But you cannot say, hey, I was putting out thirst traps for 6 months and I'm sitting at 1 million. And I
Now
can
I'll switch to some intellectual stuff.
Yeah. And now I'll switch to some intellectual stuff, or I am the best person to do marketing. It doesn't work that way. Because people who were following you because you were doing Get Ready With Me is completely different than marketing agency. So पूरा अलग है. But having a basic awareness of Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, जितने भी tools हैं, क्या होते हैं, awareness is needed. Point number 3, having some data analytical sense is important. You don't need to do Excel sheets, it's fine. But so what I call it is, if you're uploading something on YouTube, you will see analytics. If you're uploading something on Insta, you will see Insta analytics. Slightly more effort. There is an app called Edits app. Go to Edits app. It will give you more analytics. Just a simple thing. Take screenshots, drop it on GPT and tell him मेरे को सारे words के meaning समझा और मुझे डेटा का meaning समझा दे. Just you'll start becoming self-aware. Skip rate क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है, वो क्या होता है. That is basic awareness that is needed as a first ground. Once you do that, you are a basic, well-rounded marketing person where you will still be confused that I want to be in organic marketing, which is social media, or I want to be in paid marketing, which is extreme analytics. The only way to do that is you will have to do an internship, or you will have to do management training, or you will have to take a bet and say, मैं दोनों में try करता हूँ, जो job मिलेगा मैं ले लूँगा, and I will commit to a year. At the end of a year, I want to ask myself that, hey, is it working or is it not working out? Am I feeling left out or am I feeling good? Because दोनों में the circle or the people that you are hanging out with is also different. इसमें you are hanging out with, sorry to say, but the most boring people. Performance marketing में these are all laptop पे काम कर रहे हैं, engineers ये वो, and social media में all chirpy, hyped up. So that's why it's a lot of personality type as well. After a year you will understand क्या हो रहा है. Then try to double down. Okay, ठीक है, समझ में आ गया performance marketing है. Then try to pick up performance marketing का core skill set. So अभी तक हमने क्या ऊपर सब कुछ किया. When you are going into performance marketing, you should take certain basic courses. So Meta का खुद का course है called Blueprint. Google का खुद का है called Google Digital Garage. You should definitely take cohort courses. I'm a firm believer of left right center. जिसका भी course का ad दिखता है, check the pedigree. जो पढ़ा रहा है क्या उसका background ठीक है. And is the syllabus looking decent to you? The least you can do is take the screenshot and again ask to ChatGPT, find out errors in the syllabus. ChatGPT idea दे देगा. Take the course, keep on doing. You will start with your performance marketing journey.
Okay.
Once you started a performance marketing journey, फिर आएगा account specialization. So there are people who will have second round of awareness like second year में should I do more meta ads or Google ads? There are some people who are best in meta ads, there are some people who are best in Google ads. You will start growing your tool expertise. So basically you are doing this funnel down. You are starting broad and then you keep on doing. एक टाइम आएगा जहाँ पे you will see कि नहीं यार और funnel down में मेरे को boring लग रहा है, या you will say कि नहीं मैं generalist ही अच्छा था, and then people will switch their career.
Okay.
यही reality है. Everyone operates in this reality, including me as well. So yeah, that's how the career looks like.
So I think it's quite unpredictable, matlab,
Yeah.
right now, because
It's fully like right now everyone is learning on AI. You are learning Gemini at the same time, Perplexity at the same time, GPT at the same time, Sora. Like my tech stack, when I started my career, I was doing Google Ads, Excel, Meta Ads. That's it. Google Ads में Google Search Ads, then there was something called YouTube Ads. That's it. अभी Google Ads में there is Search Ad, PMax, Demand Generation, YouTube. Meta Ads में there is Meta Ads for apps, Meta Ads for D2C. Then there is something called MMP, which is called Mobile Measurement Partner, which is another tool. Then हर company का internal tool है. Then there is Canva, there is Sora. फिर मैं editing team के साथ कुछ बना रहा हूँ. Then there is Captions.ai जिस पर subtitle लिखो. Then I'm using 3 different chat GPTs, your GPTs, Perplexity and what is the other one? Claude. Claude में बहुत कम यूज़ करता हूँ, but ये 2 पे ऑपरेट करता हूँ. ये अभी का टेक स्टैक है. आई एम वेरी वेल अवेयर कि नेक्स्ट ईयर और 5 आ जाएंगे, और वो और 5 सीखना पड़ेगा. सो बट कोर सेम है, लाइक कोर इज स्टिल द सेम, दैट हे आई एम वेल वर्स्ड विद बेसिक मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स, some tools, but having said that I need to clarify this as well. Let's keep this aside. कुछ basic principles है marketing का जिसको नहीं भूलनी चाहिए. Basic principles is humans, which is how much of understanding you have of humans.
Right.
Unfortunately, the only way is to be in that state. अरे reality है. If you have never had a situationship, if you never had a bad breakup, you are the worst person to run a dating app के marketing. It is the reality. You can ask ChatGPT, कुछ नहीं आपको मिलेगा वहाँ से. ऐसा नहीं समझ में आता है चीज़ें. मार्केटिंग में जब मैं इनिशियली जब कर रहा था, एक कहावत थी दैट marketers have to become actors when they are moving into a job. Like if you are taking up a finance company, you will have to start imbibing that, okay, I'm a good financially independent, aware person, and you have to start reading and you have to start practicing. खाली पढ़ने से नहीं होगा. You have to start buying out financial tools. खुद के पैसे बचाओ, खुद के पैसे इन्वेस्ट करो, नहीं तो नहीं समझ में आएगा. The same goes with everything. So you can aspire to work at Tinder or a Bumble, but if you never, and ये again the same thing, ये full spectrum देखना पड़ेगा, because वहाँ पे there are gender neutral people, वहाँ पे there are LGBTQ people as well, not just homosexuals or heterosexuals, poly, non-poly, cis 50 चीज़ें हैं. So if you're not aware of those things, or if you've never lived that life, you don't know the pain point of that introvert living in Indore, that guy who is trying to text a girl, simply लिखा hi dot और उसको cancel आ गया, and then एक growth problem product team ने दे दिया कि okay, इंदौर में, taking as an example, इंदौर में रहने वाले लड़कों का मैच रेशियो कम है, इसको कैसे फिक्स करें. आपको समझ नहीं आएगा how do I solve this problem. So that's what I was talking about. ये कोई किताब में नहीं मिलेगा. You will have to live the life more. You will have to become an extrovert. You will have to just absorb how the universe operates. That is core marketing.
Okay.
आपको जितने 50 philosophy और psychology के books पढ़ सकते हो. I do read, but I make sure that whenever I am at a restaurant, I am observing if there is a couple, कौन बिल पे कर रहा है, कितना पे कर रहा है, कौन साइन कर रहा है, उसने क्या ऐप यूज़ किया, जोमेटो खोला क्या, 5 मिनट तक जोमेटो प्लस ये खोला क्या. सो मेरे आंखें चल रही होती हैं हमेशा से. आई आइडियलाइज फिलिप कॉटलर, सेथ गॉर्डन, ये लोग. Not because they are academicians, yes, but they are part philosophers, they are part psychologists, they are part writers, they are part personal brands, they are part teachers. So it's a multifaceted role by itself, and you cannot become them without being multifaceted. That's what.
And I see that teacher in you too. You're also interested in teaching.
Why. So I have been teaching. So I've been teaching for last. I started teaching 2021. Yeah.
What do you gauge from kids? Matlab, is it that everybody is now interested in marketing? It's like a new fad for people to pursue.
Actually, so people think it's easy. और उसका फंडा भी है ना, that like let's say if you play a guitar in front of me right now and I have no idea about music, like no idea, I'll say आज मैं गिटार खरीदूंगा because it simply looked easy to me. कोडिंग दिखता मुश्किल है, but कोडर को easy लगता है. पेंटिंग दिखता easy है. पायलट जब चला रहा होता है an aeroplane, it looks very daunting. but car looks easy. So it's just parameter of what looks easy from outside. That's it, nothing else.
Even content, I think.
Even content as well.
Everybody wants to get into content.
Because there is only 2 clicker buttons. When Reel was not there, it was difficult. When these mics and accessories were not cheaper, it was difficult because accessibility नहीं थी.
Exactly.
अभी easy accessibility है. That's why there are a lot of people who are interested. यार मैंने तो लाइफ में एक रियलिटी देखी है and I don't think it changes. I keep on asking my seniors as well कि it doesn't matter number of people entering a market can increase, but the reality is only 2% people will be supremely good. That is what the reality is, because उनमें उतना guts है. It is very hard for you to constantly keep on challenging the society, and everyone is living a pseudo world. So you might have one face with your family to keep them happy, but if you're an actor, if you're a marketer, if you are a philosopher, if you're a psychologist, आपका दिमाग और चल रहा होता है because you are trying to explore and understand the world. So ये करना मुश्किल है. ऐड चलाना इजी है. 5 ऐड चला के चुपचाप जाके सो जाओ और इंस्टाग्राम पे कंटेंट बनाओ कि आज मैंने ये 50 ऐड चला और मैं बाली का ट्रिप स्पॉन्सर किया. That is still easy. But living the life is harder. So only 2% people will be at the supreme. और supreme का मेरा आज के डेट में डेफिनेशन ये है, can you keep on doing the same thing for the next 20 years and be relevant? That's it.
Okay.
पहले सुप्रीम का डेफिनेशन ये था, कैन यू कीप ऑन डूइंग द सेम थिंग एंड डू PhD एंड बी वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट. आज इस लेवल पे आ गया है कि ये सेम काम करके दिखा दो 20 साल विदाउट गेटिंग बर्नड आउट एंड टायर्ड.
But do you think the same काम 20 साल will survive also? Like
नो, सेम काम का मतलब है द मोड इज चेंजिंग. आई एम स्टिल डूइंग मार्केटिंग.
process is the same.
प्रोसेस इज द सेम. मतलब नॉट प्रोसेस, द फिलोसफी इज स्टिल द सेम. फिलोसफी इज प्रोडक्ट है, आइडिया बेचना है. इट इज that is the simplest dumbest definition of marketing. उसको करने के लिए you will do 50 or different things. Maybe tomorrow it's metaverse, maybe tomorrow there is something else. The process will change, the realities will change, but the concept is still the same. So yeah, कोई issue नहीं है. I don't think there is an issue that a lot of people are interested, but I don't care because I know a lot of people will be burnt out.
Right, exactly. That's what I see with content too, because I feel like everybody wants to do it, but they can't even get to their third wheel.
Yeah.
So what will you do there? But what do you think is the roadblock for content creators now? Because a lot of people plateau, a lot of people are not able to grow ek point ke baad, and also it's a lot of confusion as to what you're supposed to make because the audience keeps changing, the requirements keeps changing. So what do you see in this content space?
I'll break it down into 3 different type of people. One, let's call it ABC. A, people who are just starting out. B, who are at 90K to 500K. एंड सी हु आर एट 2 million plus. इन तीनों में बहुत डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लेटो की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. एल्गोरिदम्स फर्स्ट जॉब इज नॉट टू मेक यू द बिगेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया और ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. उसका वो जॉब ही नहीं है. उसका जॉब है फाइंड आउट 5 other people who just joined YouTube or Instagram, try to convince them to create one first content. The prod manager's KPI is number of people who are creating content should increase. ना कि अविशी को स्टार बना दो, ना कि राहुल को वर्ल्ड में बेस्ट ले आओ. सो दे हैव फिगर आउट देयर वेज टू गिव यू डोपामिन हिट्स जब चाहिए, which means by definition that platform is not designed for you to keep on becoming better with a 20% growth year on year, yeah, month on month. The platform's job is to get newer creators into the market. Now here comes the main game. Platform भी different हो जाता है. Instagram पे at this point of time since last 6 months, if you're a new creator, it's giving you boost. You might have 2 followers, but you might have 10,000, 20,000, 1 million views as well. Reels पे. पहला रील निकालना मुश्किल है. पहला निकला तो 3 निकालना ईजी है. उसके बाद फिर से मुश्किल है because it's hard for you to become disciplined because आप लाइफ में कभी डिसिप्लिन नहीं थे because you're just starting out. 10 लोगों ने अगर ये जर्नी चालू की, only 2 people will cross that part. People who cross that part, they will keep on doing until 50K, until 70K. Then will come our plateau. Why will it come? And here is what happens interestingly. As a person, you might have, okay, give me any other name of yours that you like people calling you.
People call me this only.
People call you this only. कोई short name कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, Avi, I guess.
Let's say Avi. So let's say Avishi and Avi are 2 different people. ठीक है. Avi is a person who has a job. वो रात को जाके DJ बन जाता है. And she is just putting out content for the sake of it. She has no allegiance with output. She will keep on doing without having any views के साथ कोई core allegiance. Avishi is a person who is so दिन में 5 बार check करती है let's say views. उसका plateau पहले hit करेगा because she is very attached to the craft. And this is a core principle of any human.
Right.
Your relationship works if you are detached, ना कि supremely attached. Your job में you are able to perform better if you are slightly detached. That is the rule of the land. ये detachment is the first plateau breaker. कि ओ मेरे को तो 20 आ रहे थे व्यूज़, अभी भी आ रहे हैं 20 आ रहे हैं, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है यार, बंद कर देते हैं, फिर मूड स्विंग्स होगा, फिर ये होगा, फिर ब्रेकअप आ गया, फिर किसी और से प्यार हो गया, फिर वो चल रहा होगा. द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पार्ट इज व्हाट यू एंड अप डूइंग इज, आप जब 10 कंटेंट बना रहे होते हो, यू ट्राई मल्टीपल काइंड ऑफ आइडियाज. लेट्स से दिस 2 आइडियाज वर्क. व्हेन इट वर्कड, यू गॉट अ डोपामाइन हिट एंड यू डिड नॉट आस्क योरसेल्फ दैट हे इज दिस व्हाट आई स्टैंड फॉर. People who are disassociated with the persona will start becoming plateau hitting because you are doing something else, because आपको वो मिला. आप चल रहे हो. So what you have done is you have basically created a homogeneous content. ये plateau again कब hit होता है क्योंकि आप same content बनाते गए. You did not take a pause in doing something that I call. There are some content which are shareable content. There are some content which are likable content. There are some content which are commentable content. There are some content which are savable content. This is how a social media marketing company runs. They create these buckets and accordingly they create contents. This is not how a creator thinks. Creator thinks views आने चाहिए पहले मेरे को. जो views लेके आएगा उस पर डबल डाउन कर. ये सबसे बड़ा प्लेटो हिट करवाता है क्योंकि ये views जाके एक जगह पे ब्रेक करेगा. कितना आइडिया निकलेगा इंसान से दिमाग में, एंड वो उस टाइम पे आएगा जब आपका दिमाग काम नहीं करेगा टू टेक अ पॉज एंड यू विल नॉट हैव गट्स टू टेक अ पिवट एंड ट्राई टू डू बंच ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड हर पिवट का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि डोमेन चेंज कर लो. You can simply change a format, it's a pivot. You can simply change an editing style. You can simply change your editor. Right. It will start looking different. You can color your hair. It will look different. So that is the second largest one. Third largest is you being lazy, और कुछ नहीं है. That's it. इन तीनों के बाहर और कुछ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है, और जो भी एग्जिस्ट करता है वो थोड़े थोड़े साइलोज में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, विच इज़ लाइक बीमार पड़ गए, कॉलेज आ गया, एग्जाम आ गया, मूविंग टू अब्रॉड. बट अगेन घुमा फिरा के सारा वर्क एथिक एंड डिसिप्लिन में ही आता है. देयर इज नथिंग एल्स. एंड अगेन अ डिस्क्लेमर, Instagram is different than YouTube. Something that works on Instagram will not work on YouTube. So a lot of people are not that social media wise smart to have 2 different brains to think YouTube separate and Instagram separate. Generally they repurpose the content. Right. So it's a different skill set. जो कर लेता वो कर लेता.
And do you think इसमें भी difference है that your personality determines which platform is best for you?
Good question. I don't think personality, it's content format.
हाँ, मतलब like your personality determining the content format and maybe your lifestyle also.
True. Like for an example, I think it's also more nuanced that ये सवाल 3 साल पहले अगर आया होता तो आंसर कुछ और होता, बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे नर्डी कंटेंट नहीं चलता था पहले. इट वाज ऑल जस्ट डांस एंटरटेनमेंट कॉमेडी. इट्स बीन लास्ट 3 years वी हैव सीन अ सडन स्पाइक इन ज्योग्राफी, जियोपॉलिटिक्स, गट हेल्थ वाला क्रिएटर 1 million पे बैठा हुआ है. सो इट्स अ सडन शिफ्ट. क्या ये इंसान पहले नहीं था? इंसान वही था. क्या ये क्रिएटर पहले नहीं था? वो भी था. तो चेंज क्या हुआ है? आई डोंट नो. आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द आंसर. आई डोंट नो चेंज क्या हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं कि मार्केट में एक नया ब्रीड ऑफ ह्यूमंस स्टार्टेड गिविंग बर्थ टू न्यू ब्रीड ऑफ ह्यूमंस हुआ लाइक वो आज से मैं तो नर्डीनेस फॉलो करूंगा. आई थिंक एवरीथिंग वर्कड इन द फेवर दैट ओके वी स्टार्ट आइडियलाइजिंग पीपल हु मेक मनी, वी स्टार्ट आइडियलाइजिंग पीपल हु स्टार्ट अप. और ये सारा शार्क टैंक फेनोमेना सारा इकट्ठा काम किया हुआ है इन दिस केस. So number 1 is also the aura or the market style or what is working in the area right now. But the core fact, exactly as you said, right, ki if I can talk for 2 hours without being burnt out, I'm a better YouTube person. If I can't do in-depth conversation, I'm a better Instagram person. So it's true that there is some certain allegiance towards which format and what platform will work for me or not. But it is a big reflection. I feel what you said is right, which is key. Okay, it's a big reflection of your personality type as well. But I also feel personality type can be created and it can be built as well.
Like, I think your working style is more important.
Your working style is more important. Yeah, YouTube is very demanding, extremely demanding. The fact that you have a thumbnail to design and extra hard work, and you have to do A/B testing in thumbnail and title you have to think, and if someone is like I'm a big believer of SEO. You have to think tags, you have to think descriptions and all. is daunting. It's not easy. इनसे हमें क्या hey hello hi मैं ये कर upload चलो done. Instagram भी boost दे देगा, oh 1 million wow. It's just random. So yeah, it's a format, it's a personality type as well.
And I feel like now everybody is getting into content, so it's very important to distinguish between this is something I'm doing as a hobby and this is something I actually want to do as a career.
उसमें time लगेगा.
And that's probably where a lot of people are getting confused also.
Yeah, उसमें time लगेगा and it's fine. I think work ethic is very rare, is extremely rare, and it doesn't matter how big you are. It has like मैं वही कह रहा हूँ 10 million वालों का भी वालों से मैं बात किया हूँ, नहीं है.
And I think the quick dopamine hits are making it worse.
Yeah.
The work ethic wala aspect.
But you become mature with time. And market will push you. Market will push you to decide that okay, you will be dead or you will be still relevant. And जिसने कर लिया उसने कर लिया और कुछ नहीं है.
Where do you think all of this is heading with AI? In the sense, not just AI tools that help you make content, but the content itself.
Content itself. My theory is the time taken to produce a content, the cost that was incurred to create a content is reducing, and it will keep on reducing year on year, and that is a great era to be in because that pushes, like I'm more interested in unlocking India too, which is Bharat के creators. Like मुझे देखना है that big Bengali बांग्ला में बोलने वाली एक क्रिएटर who is talking about geopolitics and is sitting at 5 million उस पे, और वो होगा. It's very visible. वो अभी तक क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे? Because they come from a small town. ये accessibility नहीं था पहले. लेकिन अभी क्या बोया का माइक 2000 का आता है, वो और गिरेगा. AI जो इतना ये था कि I need to talk to Sindhu or people like Sindhu or someone else who is a better strategist than me to understand title कैसे लिखना चाहिए, has reduced because you can buy a Vidaiku subscription और वो AI से बता देगा, या the least you can do is buy a ChatGPT का subscription, वो बता देगा. It can work for you, not work for you. I won't comment on that. But these are unlocking. So AI is unlocking these new creators, interesting creators, and bringing the cost down, and that is an interesting area. The problem is that it is also creating a lot of SOP in artistic expression. My problem with that is, like again, let's say, are you on Twitter or X? So X ने, Elon Musk ने एक सबसे खराब चीज़ की जो मुझे लगता है, he started monetizing on impression. That okay, if you get so and so impression, if you have a blue patch, I'll start paying you money. So what started suddenly happening? कि it can be any impression. I can write fuck you to a big politician, impression आएगा.
Right. हाँ.
उस पे पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Now suddenly मुझे अगर now I'm in a small town. मैंने पूरे हफ्ते में 5 लोगों को गाली दी और मैंने देखा 5 मिलियन इंप्रेशन आया और मुझे पैसे मिल रहे हैं. Let's say. Just simplifying and trying to dumb it down. I'll do it more. So what is this? This is content. This is creation. What is this? You will call. So
it's a reaction.
It's a reaction. But उनके लिए वो content है. वो मैंने एफर्ट लगा के देखा, मैंने इंप्रेशन जनरेट की, मैंने पैसा बनाया, तो मैं क्रिएटर हूँ. लाइक रोस्ट्स 10 साल पहले रोस्टिंग वाज नॉट कंटेंट क्रिएशन. उसको बोलेंगे अरे ये रिएक्शन है, रैंडम है, ये क्या लोग रास्ते में गाली देते हैं. राइट, इट्स अ फॉर्मेट.
रोस्ट में तो फिर भी देयर इज एफर्ट. दिस इज तो जीरो एफर्ट.
करेक्ट. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, अगर आप 10 साल पहले चले जाओ और एक स्मॉल टाउन में जाके रोस्ट दिखा दो, वो बोलेगा अरे ये तो गाली देते हैं रोड पे, ये कहाँ से कंटेंट हुआ. सो द फॉर्मेट्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग एंड इट कीप ऑन बिकमिंग बेटर. बट माय थियरी इज आई विल नोटिस दैट ओके, इफ द कॉस्ट गोज डाउन and if the barrier to entry is lesser to know, the mediocrity will increase.
Exactly.
And once mediocrity increases, the content ka supply increases. And if the supply increases, see, ऐसा नहीं कि again there are viewers are still the same. ऐसा नहीं कि every minute we are generating 10% growth of viewers. The average viewership will decrease, which means there will be less fan base. The Sindhu will have less fans, micro fans होंगे. I won't be having, so I can, so 1 million आज के डेट में followers होता है. Followers are not fans. 1 million में से hardly 10,000 fans होंगे. Fans are people who will die for you. रास्ते में खड़े होके साइन मांगेंगे, ऑटोग्राफ मांगेंगे, whatever. We'll move into a micro fan economy, not a macro fan economy like Stardom, Shahrukh Khan and world. And उसमें से कुछ creators निकल के आएंगे जो सिर्फ original करते हैं. Like सिर्फ original. They are not interested in volume. They are not interested in mass production. My theory says they will shine at that point of time because market mediocrity इतना भर देगा कि आपको normalize हो जाएगा. Like a Dhruv Rathi style video, piece to camera, reading commentary, lot of green screen edits. At this point of time is normalized. 10 साल पहले वो उसको बोलते थे भाई साहब क्या एडिटिंग है, बहुत खर्चा होता है. अभी इट्स नॉर्मलाइज्ड. हम जो रील में एडिटिंग करते हैं जिसका मार्केट का रेट है 800 रुपये से लेके 1200 रुपये का, 10 साल पहले उस टाइप का एडिटिंग उस कॉस्ट में नहीं आता था. एडिटर्स विल चार्ज फॉर 8,000 रुपीज 7,000 रुपीज फॉर दैट एडिट. अभी वो गिर गया है. तो वो नॉर्मलाइज हो गया है. वो फास्ट मोशन टेक्स्ट टक 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 चल रहा है. या आई थिंक इट विल गो टुवर्ड्स दैट एंड आई एम skeptical and equally optimistic. Let's see what happens. My one-liner theory is there will be more subject matter expert creators. I think so. Generalist creators will not work anymore. Generalist matlab I talk about everything. Books bhi, marketing bhi, blah 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 blah. I don't think there will be one person, one niche, big, one fan base, dedicated fan base, and create micro communities around it and business around it will work better.
And I think fans will pretty much cease to exist.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be all overlapping communities of people. Even
how many people you will see? Like, yeah, there are. Like what previously, if there were 5 people talking about business, you had 5 people in your back of your head to recall. Like, no, I can't recall. कितने लोगों को याद रखूं?
And isme, with AI and everything, it'll create so many new jobs and probably a lot of new avenues for people to get a piece of the pie.
Yeah.
So what would you guide young people going into maybe marketing or social media ya fir traditional marketing roles? How can they leverage AI to get better and what jobs can they sort of look forward to?
So right now there is a mandate and it will happen. It's already happening. There is a 70% chance that wherever you interview, they will ask you, this I want to generate. Tell me what prompt will you write? So which is reverse engineering. I want a media plan. So let's say I want to sell water. It's a packaged water of 20 rupees, sold in this. Imagine you are a marketer who is a management trainee. Boss ने तेरे को बोला कि मुझे आधे घंटे में आइडिया चाहिए. Boss ने तुझे खुली छूट दी that make a media plan using ChatGPT. Tell me your prompt. ये already पूछा जा रहा है इंटरव्यू में. Which means start reading a lot of watching a lot of YouTube videos and materials to learn how to write prompts, how to counter prompts, how to write defined prompts. What is the difference between the thinking mode and the standard mode of tools? ये पूछा जा रहा है. Because right now अभी उस लेवल पे आ गया है that marketers are asking. एंड हो क्या रहा है? ओके, असाइनमेंट्स लोग जीपीटी लगा के बना रहे हैं, दिख जाता है. तो स्माइली वो दिखता है, वो सेम सारे स्माइली हैं और वो सब पता चल जाता है. काउंटर करके पता किया जा सकता है इन द राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यूज. वन थिंग आई विल एनी डे टेल एनीवन दैट यू आर यूजिंग चैट जीपीटी, द लीस्ट यू कैन डू इज पढ़ ले भाई क्या लिखा है. द लीस्ट यू कैन डू. इफ यू राइट अ वर्ड कॉल्ड रिटेंशन ग्राफ, आई विल रीड रिटेंशन ग्राफ टू सॉल्व दिस. रीड रिटेंशन ग्राफ पढ़ते कैसे हैं. लास्ट 2 months में एटलीस्ट 10 लोगों के साथ इंटरव्यू किया हूँ. 10 लोगों ने रिटेंशन ग्राफ लिखा है. 10 लोगों को पूछा है रिटेंशन ग्राफ यूट्यूब में दिखता कहाँ पे मेरे को बता. ब्लैंक. फिर मैं पूछता हूँ चैट जीपीटी, यस सर. मैं क्या, मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है, तू पढ़ लेता है रिटेंशन ग्राफ, तूने खुद लिखा है. सो इट गोज इन अ नेगेटिव मार्केट. इट्स अ बिग रेड फ्लैग. इट्स अ बिग रेड फ्लैग कि आप एक चीज डाल रहे हो आपके काम पे एंड यू डोंट नो अबाउट इट. So that is number one. That do not just use random chat GPT while creating your assignment because आपको आपके favorite creator ने बोला था बनाओ आधे घंटे में assignment और भेज दो उसको. Read about it. Second, prompting जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Just go everywhere and read about it. Especially if you are in a creative field like anything that involves creation, which is editing, production. You are joining as a social media manager. It is very, 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 very important to deploy some AI protocols into creating your own content.
Right.
Because it will help you flaunt and it will help you stand out. Because for an example, if there are 5 beauty creators who are applying for a job at L'Oreal or anything, if one person simply says that, hey, my workflow looks like this. I use ChatGPT to do this. मैं ऐसे करके मेरा content calendar बनाती हूँ. मैं ऐसे करके ये मेरा sheet है, ये देखो. Suddenly you will not even get extra 2 marks. You will get 10 marks extra because you are not just talking about, oh, I use AI in creation. You are explaining मैंने workflow में कैसे deploy किया है. वो सामने वाले इंटरव्यूअर को सिग्नल देता है that you are a good orchestrator, that you know how to do stuff. Because you have done it for yourself. So that is most important. That
So
you
what?
try to-
So what I gather is that marketing career के लिए, if you want to start out in marketing, firstly having a specialization is important. If you're doing something like social media,
100%.
having a niche of what you expertise in, and AI, using AI is super important. And third, that your degree does not matter if you want to do marketing.
Yeah, and just adding this one line, which is, see, AI is such a buzzword that what is happening is anyone who has just created one output is bombarding, oh, मैं AI के expert हूँ.
हाँ.
What I'm saying is, it is much better to take one piece and go in depth versus telling me that, hey, मैं 5 tools में expert हूँ. T-shaped. So if you tell me that, okay, you are an expert in ChatGPT and also Perplexity and also Claude, यार मेरे लिए as a hiring manager तीनों सेम है. They are chat agents. मैं उस information से क्या करूँ? I can't take a call that, okay, Avishi is a killer person to join me or not. If you tell me that, hey, मैंने तीनों use किए हैं, I use Perplexity for creating content.
This particular reason.
Exactly. मैं hooks इसमें बनाती हूँ. मैं ChatGPT यूज़ करती हूँ only for research. मैं उस रिसर्च को एक डॉक में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ, फिर उस डॉक को वहाँ पे इंपोर्ट करके मैं ये करती हूँ, मुझे ये इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए. So the least you can do is try to come closer towards this information, and the only way you can do that is by implementing AI in your workflow. Just for the name sake अगर कर रहे हो तो उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है.
So using your own intellectual quotient is very important, and not letting AI fry up your brain.
Yeah.
So I want to end with a rapid fire round. First question I have for you, because you're a marketer and advertising person, what is your favorite ad recently?
Recently?
या फिर मतलब long term favorite ad?
I think वो कोक का एक था, drink this ad. देखा है क्या?
नहीं.
It's an amazing ad. It's an ASMR. थिएटर्स में आता था, ऐसा पूरा क्लोजअप आएगा, मस्त बबल्स हो रहे होंगे एंड चालू होगा ड्रिंक दिस एड. इट वाज अ ग्रेट कैंपेन. आई लाइक्ड इट. बट इफेक्टिवली यार मैं ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ, मेरा फेवरेट याद रहना बंद हो चुका है, एंड दैट इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ वेयर वी आर हेडेड. वेयर वी आर हेडेड. दैट्स सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट बॉम्बार्डिंग दैट यू डोंट रिकॉल कि ओके वो अच्छा ये एक बढ़िया था.
And we're not even consuming ad content that much, because हर चीज का you're buying a subscription. Even YouTube Premium is there.
Exactly.
So where are you even? Where's the touch point for ads?
Correct.
So okay, what is your biggest pet peeve about each social media platform? So Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube.
Instagram is randomly giving views, which has no meaning or sense. One is 1 million, one is 10K, one is 2K. There is no prediction. YouTube is, for some random odd reason, the algo is pushing extreme long formats, which is podcasts, 1 hour conversations, 20 minutes conversations. And YouTube का pet peeve मेरा सबसे बड़ा ये है that वो कलेश को सबसे ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी देता है. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी देता है. Like in this podcast, if you put a thumbnail and say that
I fought with Sindhu.
हाँ, it will work on another level versus growth marketing masterclass. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. And that thumbnail needs to look like Mr. Beast was attempting to create this. Yeah, so you take a knife and you are doing this. वो सब टाइप का वो सब होगा तो आके आएगा. Then third platform is what? LinkedIn. Random.
I think you don't like LinkedIn. You don't consider LinkedIn a social media platform.
No, see, my existence is from LinkedIn first. So my LinkedIn was my first platform. I started writing on LinkedIn since 2017. LinkedIn team was kind enough to give me that blue badge. LinkedIn team के साथ मेरा बहुत अच्छा रिश्ता है. My problem with LinkedIn is I don't understand the algo.
And I think LinkedIn is a very confusing platform, because it's supposed to be like a professional networking platform.
It's not.
But now people are writing their diary entries on it.
People are writing their diary entries on it. Yeah. But I don't have a problem. See, at the end of the day, every platform will become the same because it's humans. Yes, LinkedIn force you to become a different person on LinkedIn.
True.
But अगर तुम X पे और Instagram पे similar behave कर रहे हो, then you are being forced on LinkedIn. You should be doing the same thing ideally.
But LinkedIn का intent कुछ और था.
Intent तो कुछ और था.
बड़ा.
Yeah. So I don't know where they're heading, but
What's a brand that you would love to work with, like your dream brand?
Netflix.
Okay.
Yeah. Netflix any day as number one for now.
And last question, not related to marketing, but what is one thing that you think you should have done differently in your journey up till now?
A lot in my journey.
One thing that you can
Professional journey or life journey?
Professional and
journey.
life, huh?
No, life journey mein I should have traveled when I was doing independent consulting, because right now I'm not able to travel a lot.
Okay.
So travel to US, UK, Dubai, wo sara. I should have left that. I'm in Indonesia running my 6-figure
did that?
agency. No, I should have done that.
I should have done it.
तो अभी नहीं कर पाता. Is on the life. Professional में I have no regrets. I have been a random person. I have been a rash decision maker. I have fought with people. I have done every sort of things that people can imagine and not do. I have no regrets in professional. I think मैंने सारा cover किया हुआ है. एक चीज जो छूटा हुआ है, I think I should have started content creation और थोड़ा जल्दी. That's it. Which is video content creation, not the text content creation I started बहुत जल्दी, but video I should have started. I should have invested in just a good iPhone and a good mic, and I should have just started. और बहुत procrastinate किया.
Okay, I love that because all of this started as a rash decision to my content.
नहीं, lovely. You should keep on doing this. You should keep on doing this.
Thank you, Saru. Thank you so much.
Thank
It was
you.
so nice to have you. Where can we find you?
Everywhere. मतलब, I'm on Twitter. I'm on LinkedIn, YouTube, Insta. Everywhere same name. No stage name. Nothing. So yeah. You text me anywhere. I will answer. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.